Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from live account to demo account on Pocket Option. So if you are on the live account and you want to switch back to your demo account where you can easily make some trade without having the fear of losing all your hard-earned capital, here's a quick tip way on how to get that done. So the first thing you have to do is for you to switch from your live account to your demo account, just tap on your profile icon, which is at the left top corner. Please it up here, tap on your profile icon, tap on it, then you tap on trading, which is the option. This is the options that allow you to trade. Then from there you have all the listed options, but currently in this video I'm going to show you how you can move from quick account, which is the live account, to demo account. So right here, just tap on demo account, tap on the demo account option, and it will automatically switch your account from live account or real account to demo account. And you can see up here, which is QT demo USD. This is the demo account, and then you can now trade without having the fear of losing your capital in trade. So that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.